October 2017, and at the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, Star Times channel 195, My TV channel 17, UHF 57 where you go do small exercise because you go turn your antenna small, and on top of DSTV channel 259. Just in case television they far from you, it's not a problem because we're on top of Facebook. www.facebook.com/Wazobia Max. You follow us as we discuss all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. On Monday, we they call them tear rubber. Sake of say, on Friday when we lock shop, carry key go, we go put our ear for ground. We go come gather all the action story from that Friday. Go reach this early Monday morning, come drop them. Tear the nylon on top. Give you license to chook my inside and talk and do it in take me for body. My name na Ezugo Chokwode. And I know the alone inside studio, Nkubi never come back. But I deal with person when we say, in the hold inside, only I'm now 3 people based on say, in read book where, in get sense where, and in they talk, especially as they concern solutions to matter when they affect us inside of Nigeria. And they talk of serial entrepreneur. This is what means say, anywhere when you go see profit of 50 kobo, even if he make him invest 1 million, so long as profit inside, he go chook him inside. And he be thoroughbred social commentator. Meaning say, anything we get to do with it, they affect life and lifestyle inside of Nigeria. He must chook space inside. And if you can't check her now, we call them 21st century Pythagoras because the way when we say they analyze politics, some of the things when they talk last year, we don't begin to see the result today. And they talk of no other than the 21st century Nostradamus or Gagbola Oba. Welcome to our city hot.
Chukudi.
Sir?
Chukudi.
Sir?
Chukudi.
Sir?
No sell snake oil for people.
Snake oil? No, now your title are just the corner.
I no get title. I be simply Mr. Na guardian starter. Simply.
Mr.
Simply.
Okay.
You can't like say you want sell this coal to Enugu man.
You know, but I know
be snow to Eskimo.
I know say you be humble man, so
Yeah.
you know go. We could just go straight into our discussion. Like I talked for the introduction, now 5 stories now will carry come. I will go tear the nylon on top of these stories, then begin the discussion. The next video we wanna go see, I dey very sure say plenty people go talk say, is this a city hot? But on top of our city hot, we dey talk and say issues when they affect everybody inside Obodo Nigeria. Now we dey place for the front burner. That is now we will carry and confront, come discuss. Make una watch this clip of how the Super Eagles of Nigeria, 11 men when they on the field of play, join hands together to carry this country go Russia 2018 World Cup. When we watch that clip, we go enter our discussion. Now come begin get the idea of why we carry this story come number 1. Make una just watch that fantastic goal by Alex Iwobi against the Chipolopolo of Zambia. This Saturday win pass.
From Ekalo. Shehu. Moses. Ekalo. And there it is. Iwobi, the substitute, with the opening goal on 73 minutes, and quite possibly it's the strike that sends Nigeria through to next year's World Cup in Russia. Nigeria leads by a 1-0. The ball in low from the right by Shehu, met by Iwobi, and his strike flashing past Mwini in the Zambia goal. He scored in Ndola almost a year to this day, and he's done it again against Zambia. Alex Iwobi. Nigeria's man of the moment. Moses blocked off initially. The ball ran through to Shehu. And Mwini unsighted as the strike came in low from Iwobi.
John Obi Mikel, Victor Moses, Shehu Abdullahi, Alex Iwobi, goal for Nigeria, the Super Eagles of Nigeria victory, and Russia 2018. The reason why I take time call out their names, now the process when we say the ball take pass from one player to the other before it end for inside net, and the ultimate now say Nigeria don't run for Russia 2018. Okay, Golaba, I want to ask you one very simple question, very important one. As the players then they pass that ball, we hear ooh. From the voices when we don't hear APC voice, we don't hear PDP voice, we don't hear Igbo voice, we don't hear Yoruba voice, we don't hear Hausa voice. And until we score the goal, you see the jubilation for the field of play. I want to ask, which lessons will we draw from the way when we say football, they unite us for inside this country? When they speak with one voice, they celebrate one goal. As against say people, they come, they divide us with politics, ethnicity, and religion.
People like Chukudi,
No.
people like Nkubi.
No. Me and Nkubi know they divide you. Now your friends them now because
People like,
all of you now be the same.
People like the people who they invite, will be say they won't make sure say they talk their own side as though their own side now only saints they their side and now only devil they the other side. The point be say we no go prosper together if we no work together. We better have a common vision for this country. The vision we go make sure say the road, the last time where I fly to Enugu, the road where I take from Enugu to Oka, the federal road, Ipo, make that road good. Because one boy or one girl for some of the adjoining villages we attached to the road, if the road good, the parents, as a result of the goodness of the road, go increase their productivity to improve the quality of life of that pikin. And that child, if he be the next thing will be, that child, if he be the road where I traveled the last time, where I fly to Uyo, from Uyo to Port Harcourt. Johnny, we're not supposed to pass 1 hour. Make we do the road where they between Lagos and Ibadan. Make it not be say for almost 1 decade we go do one
portion,
5 kilometer, leave 95 kilometer. Before that 5 kilometer, where they do say, before they do another one complement that one, it don't spoil. No nation they grow without a centrally defined value. Where go they higher and above. See how American Congress, where the Republican majority, still they seriously investigate Republican president. See how American Congress, 2 chambers, where we say they feel frustrate the composition or selection of an independent investigator. Decide to pick Mueller, making them, because at the end of the day, the sanctity of American democracy, it bigger past their partisan disposition and it bigger past the man. You understand the thing where they talk?
Very true.
But for here, if person did this side, everybody here na saint.
If you did that side,
if you did that side, everybody na saint. Even when we know say some of these newfound saints, then they are among the people
we commit original sin for this particular place. Ogagbolaba, anything when person add to this particular one when you talk, it go be like saying I overdo. But I must come from this angle, and I want to use 5 people do example. Now we get Leon Balogun when they play for Mainz 05. He get right or he get chance to play for Germany, but he talk say he won't play for Nigeria. We get our captain John Obi Mikel. We get Victor Moses. May I carry those when the pass they go through before they score. We get Shehu Abdullahi and we get Alex Iwobi when scored that goal. I want to ask you, this one we not talk of federal character. We not talk of say we must get 3 people from the north, 3 people from the south, 3 people from the east, 3 people from the west. Now the very best players, now Oga Genotro select to play for Nigeria. Even Kelechi Iheanacho, wonder boy, he sit down for bench just because of the strategy when the coach carry say he must win this game. Why he be say when it come to our own politics, instead of make we go for the very, very best, the first thing we go come our mind and say, share the interest of my region, they protected. What did they cost this particular one?
One will be prisoners of our past. And come to think of it, like the Peking way mad woman born, mad woman raised. The Peking no mad, but the Peking no know. Say some of the mannerism wey he learn for him mama, you know, say you go suck your mama breast. Your mama, you go to talk to her.
The nurture.
The nurture.
Say some of them madness follow inside, small.
You no go know because you no go say tell the world say your mama mad. And you don't mad anyway before he born you. So the time when you they grow, you suck the breast of a mad woman, you relate well with the mad woman, everybody else thinks say the woman mad, but you and you not get line of communication where you say,
nobody understands.
So the day when you self go amongst other children go play. Occasionally when you look at the sky, so go back there for. They don't know say.
You think not the entire body?
No, you know mad. It's just that and Aristotle say the mind of a child na tabula rasa, na clean slate, na the thing where you deposit through all the entrances of the body, eye, ear, nose, mouth, na inside they be. That is why psychologists say no be only nature they make person, not yourself they make person.
Very true.
So we Nigerians will be prisoner of our past because all our celebrated leaders, from the moment Abat Macaulay passed the baton to Nnamdi Azikiwe, and at a point where Zik of Africa, from the moment where other leaders pulled Zik to the level of Zik of Nigeria, to the level of Zik
Eastern region,
Zik of the Eastern region, to the level say even from Eastern region.
Owele for Onitsha.
From that moment where we put tribalism for politics, put this in, my brother, we are functioning as a damaged character.
So our first story for today now say the lesson when the Super Eagles of Nigeria don't show now say competence, person when they qualified, person when get the passion, the zeal and the determination to do something, the person go achieve them. And congratulations to Nigeria. And make we just come other one, enter into the ones where we say it always they make us sweat on top of our city hunt.
You know the thing we're funny before we round up that thing. I did one event for Federal Palace. In fact, that event make a plug up. Na Children Award. The award heroism for children across the country. From the east, from the south, from the north, from the this thing, children under 15. From brilliance, intellectual brilliance, to social bravery, to physical bravery. And you go there surprised the level of bravery in Nigerian children. You know this thing? With the word that thing, the clip they engage us, moment where they compare. In fact, it be one of your colleagues here, they among the compare, the two men compare, where they announce say Nigeria defeat Chipolopolo, that we turn Chipolopolo to Chin Chin. From that moment, everybody, you need to see how some of us there for Big Babariga, the suit people, the safari people, we just women self jump.
They jubilate.
I couldn't ask one woman, you the watch ball? She said no. He said, but her business, she's the owner of a radio station. He said, but her business go get increased revenue profile because when we go walk up, adverts go come more. You see, when we collectively support the best of us, it go. Oyinbo people they call it trickle down. Like the anointing oil. You know, say we did two churches for Nigeria. Make I use if you pour anointing oil for head, what you gonna do?
You go they come down. They
you don't see anointing oil where defy gravity.
No,
they go up.
No, it must come down.
It must trickle down.
Make we just leave that particular story, enter this next one. And this next one is something where we say, I dey very sure say, as the Nostradamus where you be, for over 1 year,
now only God know tomorrow.
Yeah, now only God know. But permutation, based on say the things where you don't do, based on Baba Jebu things, I just they talk, you sabi how to
you know, say when I grow up for Mushin, that time, na pool day. So those Baba, then go to Arsenal match 1940. Manchester United match 1940, Stoke 1915, and you know radio that time. Now radio if television don't come on. Arsenal 4 on Saturday afternoon. So if I permutate,
okay, make we just use this one now. Now, he gets one letter where we say the junior minister, the Minister of State for Petroleum, Dr. Ibe Kachuku, write on the 30th of August. But around that 3rd of October, the thing can't leak to public. They say no be for public consumption. But when Nigerians see the content of that leaked letter, people fear. But Oga Presido don't meet with Dr. Ibe Kachuku and also Dr. Baru Maikanti. And plenty of people, they look, say, if we check the way when things they go based on permutation.
Oga President meet with the Baru Maikanti, I be vice president.
No, he meet with him. He too come for that particular. He enter inside, but we don't know the person who is going meet.
They're saying go meet vice president.
But we don't know.
But Oga President will meet in junior minister. Because you must remember, say Oga President now the substantive minister for petroleum.
The thing when they be say, two of them enter inside, and the place where they enter inside, now Oga President they go meet here. When they come out and they ask them question, they say no comment. Now, people, they do plus or minus for this particular situation. Now, they talk, say, the way when President Muhammadu Buhari did, because of his personality and his no-nonsense attitude to insubordination and unruliness, when we say Dr. Ibe Kachuku bin talk, say, somehow, now what the GMD they do? I want to ask, you think, say, Nigerians need to be optimistic, say, anything will come out of this one? Because if we go by the example of, say, some people bypass the acting president at the time, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, carry file, go London, according to gist when come out. You think, say, some people never see this government finish? Can't they behave like, say, if I can speak to Oga at the top, why should I go through this particular process? What did they call this particular one for political arrangement for Nigeria?
Make I start from where I think, say, your question, you get mischief, or you get, your question get wayo. Me and you know, say when they carry fire go London, waiting we read say Baba tell people we
they say Baba say make them go back to the person when they supposed go meet.
Okay.
But the person when they go meet, we don't hear anything when happen from them. And some of those people when bypass Baba when send letter go give us of Senate, they still there for inside the government.
If you say you go to answer the question, they go. If you no call
no,
us.
as you talk say why you dey inside, I won't put you inside money. Why
the side that side of the question because you know say for your question it gets many stands and I like to dey methodical logical.
Yeah, they take it one by one.
So the first one we don't agree say when they carry fire go London the report wey we read be say as they carry and go the man tell them they can go back home. Number one. Number two, on the letter wey leak to the public. You invite me come here. And when I come here, when they form cabinet and Baba make himself Minister of Petroleum, I say I'm for happy if to say he make himself substantive Minister of Agriculture.
Or even defense.
Or defense.
You talk him, you be Nostradamus. You talk him.
But I say the way Baba make himself Minister of Petroleum,
Olewu.
Make saints no go walk with sinners too much. Now, we never finish that one. Baba, the thing where Oyinbo people go say in an unprecedented move, Baba appointing chief of staff as a board member of NNPC. I never heard that one before.
It never ever happened.
No, I will do 30 seconds and blame meaning of chief of staff to people. In a liberal democracy like the one we do practice, or presidential democracy, then they call the chief of staff the alter ego of the president.
If you see him, you don't see the president.
If you see him, nobody only say you see the president. You don't see the president engine room. Any car where you dey ride today in the world, the car, all the aesthetics where they the body of the car, all the perfume, all the
swagger,
all the swagger where they the car. If the engine room, the engine, no.
I be saying a waste.
Now, all systems of a car, and they just can't do analogy.
You be mechanic now.
All the systems, I be director
of
I be director of a chain of mechanic shops.
Sorry, no
no be me be mechanic. Make I no go impersonate. I no like make I dey impersonate. Now, all systems take their power from the car. Now, you come on constitute the electronic control system of your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system for the car. You come out all your engine. Central power for all the system. You make them board of director for say the car no go get wheel suspension and chassis system, the car no go get body system, communication system wey central to the distribution of power. You no even make. So the time wey Baba appoint Abba Kyari as member of NNPC board, I come here again when you invite me. Now when you invite me, I dey come. You know, say, I say, you know, tidy. Make I no waste the time of your viewers. The thing where they happen, where we just get to know, say they happen from NNPC now, as a result of the allegation of the minister. People go think, say, most Nigerians, then they come Makanti Baru, Bibe. Now, Baba supposed to care for more. Wait, not talk.
Now, Baba supposed to care for more.
People where they watch this program, where love that Baba, as I think, say, I love him. Because it's one thing for politics. You know, say, now here I support for when they do election, last election. Now here I campaign for my whole household, everything. I don't get disappointed in some policy areas, but nothing before touch in larger than life moral persona. But we are there now. Baba somebody supposed to warn Baba say there are two issues in the public sphere now. Baba's conduct on those two issues will instruct his legacy. And it go pain me where be say a man where will I see for public life 30-something years, but because of our belief, say him be a man where they incorruptible. Even when allegation day before, especially in oil industry. You remember the 2-point-something billion, where be like $20-something billion now. Now this one at 25. It be like say they readjust the oil industry scandal, we won't touch Baba again. They readjust them by inflation. If Baba no careful on this matter, he go spoil his legacy. And I go pray, say, may God no let us see the day where Nigerians go mention the name of Buhari and they go speak.
But the truth be said, the way when the matter day now,
no come to conclusion.
No, we never come to conclusion.
I know you na cowboy.
No.
And you know say, and when you say gunslinger, they take hand, they go decide. You know say one pull. The thing we say, Chukudi. By God's grace, there is still a tomorrow.
As we don't they call God enter inside this matter, God don't give us the sense to do the right thing. We don't go spiritual for
but
the thing.
You know me say,
I know you.
You know me say, I know they I say by God's grace, there will be tomorrow.
Okay.
The case now, Oyibo people go say, is an unfolding matter.
Okay. We'll leave them as the thing they unfold. To see why the thing go, waiting the thing go bring when you unfold. Finish.
The first item when you take enter this program, you say, somebody pass to somebody, somebody pass to somebody, somebody pass to somebody. Then somebody eat and go net.
And everybody can't jubilate.
My Baba supposed to eat this ball go net. If he can't turn his own penalty to throw in.
Let me say, while I don't enter.
Look, Yoruba people, one of the reasons why they know some Yoruba people where no too like truth. One of the reasons why they know they like me. I don't get people who come in before say, you are a fearless man. But one of the reasons why they know they like me, they say, the modern God of the Yoruba nation. And I celebrate in power of administration. But when I analyze his politics, most Yoruba people don't like now. If I can, in doing this work of analyzing, see Awolowo fault, mention him. Baba too small for me not to mention in this thing. And that's why I tell people we're getting here. Say, there are two extant issues, now ongoing issues. Those two extant issues, investigation, Vice President's report on SGF and the $50 million for Ikoyi. This 25 billion and other allegations of Makanti Baru, they disrespect the rule of law. They turn himself to sole administrator for NNPC when NNPC get board. And apart from the board, it gets Minister of State, who is officially the chair of the board of NNPC. how Baba handle am go define him legacy.
So hopefully we dey hope say Oga Presido go do wetin he suppose do so that when we dey write the history like you don talk.
And we go put one small caveat. Justice delayed.
Is justice denied?
Most times, for most parts of the world, is justice denied. And perception is a big weight in politics.
Make we just move on.
Make person tell about that.
Make we move on. Very importantly now, e get one particular yamayama sickness when we say they talk say for inside Bielsa, the thing don cause some kind trouble. The way when we say we take react to this particular one, we don dey hear Akwa Ibom, we don dey hear Cross River, and gist they come and say make people no chop bushmeat. Bushmeat Association they come and talk say nothing concern bushmeat with this yamayama monkeypox disease when we say come out. I won't ask. The way when they respond to emergency situations for this country, especially as it take concern healthcare, you think say we dey take the thing serious, but before you go answer them, make we hear from the Commissioner of Health for inside Bayelsa State, the first place when they talk say this particular one take happen. Make una hear wetin get to talk about the way when we say government take response to this one, and we'll come gauge whether Nigerians go get any confidence in that particular statement. Make una hear from the Commissioner of Health for inside Bayelsa State concern this monkeypox disease.
National and state authorities to ensure that we contain this outbreak. And for now, what we have done is that at the international level, WHO is coordinating. At the national level, we have the Nigerian Center for Disease Control. And then at the state level, we have our Ministry of Health, specifically the epidemiology unit under the Directorate of Public Health. So we have been able to create, an isolation ward at the Niger Delta University Teaching Hospital where the patients are presently being treated. And we are also following up the 49 line cases that who have been in contact with these patients. I know that there are more people, and they might be in hiding because of stigmatization and fear, But I want to use this medium to appeal to Bayelsans that there is no need to panic, that the situation is under control.
Some people talk, say, after they watch this particular talk, when the Commissioner of Health talk, say their confidence no even rise at all. The way when you take even just talk the thing, just talk like say na headache, no be something we supposed to take seriously. And just don't they go around some mischief makers, according to what the Honorable Minister of Information, Arts and Culture talk, say the free medical care when government say they won't do, now it cause this particular thing to spread. I won't ask you, the health sector for inside of Nigeria, you think say we don't need to revamp, that is, make we turn them upside down, change them so that things go begin to work? Because some of all these kind of things now something when we say small management, we suppose now we will take handle them. Rather than say we call a talk of say maybe Cross River, Calabar, Akwa Ibom, Uyo, and other parts of Nigeria. What do you think of this present bad yamayama sickness and the state of our healthcare for inside of Nigeria?
Given the thing we are don't be exposed to, as somebody will live for Germany, somebody will live for England for decades, we no get a care system. Even as small as I be, I did try to do one annual this thing abroad, because I go check myself. And the reason be say, we no get healthcare system. We get some healthcare entrepreneurs. In fact, the people where they take advantage of us the most as healthcare entrepreneurs are foreigners where come from India, where come from South Africa, the lab. Medical sciences, it don't pass, I sick, I go hospital. I sick, I go hospital. Now actually the responsive reactive phase of medical sciences. Medical sciences, it don't reach the kind quality of life where you plan for your people. Say if you do industrial setting now, then go say health, safety, and welfare. You know why then they say health, safety, and welfare? Health, consciousness of well-being, things to look for, to make yourself good, how to lifestyle wey go make you good enough for the work. Safety, things to look out for, make you know.
Come, make you know, make bad thing no happen.
Welfare, you know, say they don't, before na health and safety then they talk. Now they don't add welfare to them. Because at the end of the day, even if the man do the right thing lifestyle-wise, if he dey conscious
of the thing wey fit cause problem for inside
in the work environment, if the employer no take good care of the man,
that means everything don waste.
Nigeria will never dey even health before safety and welfare. You know the thing wey feel likely cause this thing? Epidemiological, one of the likely epidemiological factors wey fit call this thing, apart from the partisan one when they throw about now, say then you reuse intravenous injection needle. You know, say some people they banter that one. Let's even accept, say, now position they use that one as a kind of embarrassment to the government. One of the things the way they call likely disease like this, we say our people are still going into the wilderness to go and fend to eat. In most places in the world where people still eat animals, and I mean poultry or husbandry, there is an organized industry, subsector of the agricultural industry that have been nurturing those animals. Any society where you still see human beings, they go into the bush, into the wilderness. You know, so that was how Ebola started from Guinea to Liberia, spread across West Africa. And that's usually how it reoccurs around the Congo River, where get the name Ebola itself. We are still now being told by facts outside there that a larger percentage of our people still depend on the wild to survive as human beings. Our government should be ashamed, from local to state to federal government. Because this epidemiological yama disease where you talk, now because even if people like chimpanzee meat, when I be small pikin, I dey eat am well now.
Chimpanzee meat.
They go kill, I don't know, now mushi they born me, mushi I grow. But then they sell them on top table for mushi markets. I mean, you know, for Oshodi, where you grow.
No, me, I don't really, you know,
now butter, you be butter. I don't forget say you be butter boy. Me, I dey follow my mama go market. I even the hawk compliment and a single parent raise me. You know, be tie, people with a bow tie like you. But you see, Chuku, the jokes apart. Governance is failing the majority of our people at all levels. And we are reduced from about when I was in my mid-teenage years, or just a little bit above teenage years, when they read international magazine from around 78, 79. Now in one epidemiological disease like this break out from Brazil.
Okay, but what we go do now, we say more just watch enter inside break. When we go break, we go allow you to land well so that you go pack for inside hangar because we still get some other stories. No go anywhere, when they come back now still as it hot. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. As we do on Monday, tear over 5 stories. The first one, now something where beside they should say when people watch, they'll say, what's going on? But we look the importance of oneness, unity, and working together with the victory of the Super Eagles of Nigeria over the Chipolopolo of Zambia. This Saturday went past, so around Nigeria take land for Russia 2018 World Cup. And Ogagbola don't come and don't tell us, say, it's very, very important, say, the people when go work, make everybody enjoy. The people when we say go join their hand together, irrespective of religious differences, ethnic sentiment, or political affiliation. Now those people who supposed to come and give support to move this our country forward. From now we enter the leaked memo, and he don't even talk too much. He just talk and say, make we allow history judge based on say when we begin they talk this particular one as he they concern 2 things when they for public eye now. the action when Oga President go take, now go determine whether people go say eh or people go say ooh. And this third one get to do with monkeypox. When they come out from inside Bielsa, it don't spread enter different parts of Nigeria. We can't ask about our healthcare, and it don't come out come talk say hey. If we tell ourselves the truth, our healthcare, it not be anything to write home about. You be want to talk about something.
To round up for that topic, anytime we urbanization conflict with wilderness, you go get fight back. Nature is very distinct. It be like say you dey push water, you see all those places where flooding happen because the way we dey live and this thing, when water fight back, you see how they do. May God let us quickly come to our senses in Lagos. Lagos is a waiting danger in that respect. But you see, as a young boy, I read about some major epidemiological thing wey happen for Brazil when industrial urbanization go enter the wilderness, especially the Amazon forest. My brother, some diseases visited Brazil in the late 70s and the early 80s. They couldn't explain it. And they had this monkeypox. We don't even get
idea of what the thing be.
Now, make I tell you, the only thing where they are doing they do epidemiologically now just to seclude those people and probably give them some basic analgesics and this thing. We no get antidote for them. Now prayer with it. Ebola. Now one Canadian institution just help us do. You say the one that will happen after you don't help us do this. You know they as ferocious as one.
So it go good. Make we just also emphasize on research. Then they talk say education are the bedrock of a nation's existence. Make our people do everything when they fit to use ensure say the book when we even read. No be say we go come carry and go outside other countries. Can they contribute to their own development? We fit contribute to our own development for here.
Literacy and numeracy, I dey tell people, it good. Literacy and numeracy, it good well. But literacy and numeracy no be educational.
True.
Education na culture. Education na the culture where go put you in a position where we say you go dey perpetually own your skills until the day where you fall down, so that those skills where you dey own, it go help you get the better quality of life. We no sabi do that one here. No let anybody fool you. Even the Peking, my generation, the Peking where they run go, where they send go some of the best schools in Africa, King's College, Namushin I go school, Nigeria Modern School, High School, Alakara Idioro. Now by accident I learned for Germany. When I, as an economic immigrant to Germany, now by accident I learned say education, as in the German system, na culture. And you no go dey useful to yourself if you think say your yesterday certificate na ain't go make you
contribute to
tomorrow. So today. You better look at the trend where they happen now. Learn a skill to prepare for tomorrow. Even in your field, in the field where they don't give you certificate. But in Nigeria, now all the boys will go federal government colleges. When will they respect? When will they grow up? Now them be chief now. My wife in a federal government college, where did she go? In the 70s and she come up for 80. You know, when I want joke, I go say, baby, now we now go federal government colleges. Now get nationwide networking to put on yourself for one place, and now they spoil and pass. We did not get educated. We only get literated and numerated. Simple.
Maybe we can't change this particular one now. Can't talk about doing the right thing. The major opposition party, no matter we take a look at, if we check the number of people when they get for inside the National Assembly, number of governors when they get, and the presidents when they get for different states,
and the People's Democratic Party of Nigeria. Once you say the major, anybody will no say PDP na the major opposition party, the person.
No, but some people just believe say PDP not they exist, but more just put them, more just emphasize that. Now they won't try choose person when go be chairman of that political party, and they talk say this person, they go charge them with the responsibility of charting a course for development and progress. Now for democracy, that they talk say it could make you get opposition, and the beauty of democracy now say even though you and two of us no agree, at the end we they work to ensure say things make sense. Now, the People's Democratic Party as a political party, it be like say for some of them, the only thing when they talk about now, 2019, 2019, 2019. Nobody they talk about doing what you do to use the ensure, say, okay, well, the government one day, you put them on their toes. What if the PDP as a political party suppose they look to choose person when we say, go can't lead them, make people they follow. But before you answer that question, Mohammed, they call us from Abuja. Good morning and welcome to Asili Hot.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
We greet you, Oga Mohammed.
Yes, sir. I'm talking about that marriage where they are talking, sir.
Continue.
So my own contribution that this thing, the Peking, you have to know what he's doing. Not be say he will follow men up and down like that. Is that so?
Oga Mohammed, we don't hear you, but if like say your own network, the breeze when the thing carry come now last week breeze.
Okay,
now,
okay.
Thank you very much. Now,
I hope so. No, say last week program and then they repeat for home.
no, it maybe now, maybe in network.
Okay.
The network provider carry and go somewhere else. Now the question when I ask now say, if we look the situation when we they faced with, what exactly the People's Democratic Party as a political party suppose they look for in person when go lead them, so that if Nigerians look and they go say, okay, oh, as the major opposition political party, we won't get person when we say the leaders go one particular direction, make it not be same of the same.
I won't do fear to PDP, and yet I go give them advice.
We no go vex. Saul you from Wari, make we dey fair to Ram too. Oga Saul you, good morning and welcome to Asili Hot.
Uncle, good morning.
I greet you, Oga Saul you.
Oga, good morning, sir.
Morning, oh.
How the family, sir?
Thank God.
What I want to contribute this morning, for my own view, between the two, Okachukwu and the other man, for my own view, it's like that something is behind that we Nigerians don't know. So, for me, the way they say they happen like this, me, I like her. Make they expose themselves. Because if they two corporate self, we not go understand them, and that's so they go the things go they happen. We know Nigerians know they go know what thing they happen. But as the thing happen like this, for me, I like her. Because the former government will pass, this kind of things they happen. We know they know. Only them go settle themselves secretly.
Very, very true. That's all we appreciate. You they talk say this quarrel when they happen, just like what Oga Gbolaba they talk severally. When they quarrel, now we go begin to see the secret when they discuss inside. Moses, they call us from Abuja, no verse. Oga Moses, good morning and welcome to Asili Hot.
Good morning, I'm Moses from Abuja.
We greet you, Oga Moses. Fire down.
I like this program well.
Thank you very much.
One thing that they discuss now, the thing when they say very important. You know, one thing they say, woman shy is girl shall now the country where God give person. So, and the way you train them, now you go make the nation day proper.
Very, very true.
You know, some people when they say when they get female shy, they go to say, the head don't come for them. Why God don't give me a girl or a boy or a shy. You know, the thing is that when you train a boy, you are just training a very manual set of people. But when you train the geisha, you are training the whole nation.
Very, very true. Oga Moses, we appreciate this your important contribution. What we go do now? Now to lock our telephone line. We need to lock the telephone line. Because Oga Gbolaba need to fire down on this topic when they carry come. Because as you put your two hands down, you be like person who won't drive power bike. We'll continue.
Shukudi.
Sir.
Shukudi, money of Igbole. Make you stop this thing where you do. Make you stop her.
Sorry, sir.
Shukudi, jokes apart now. You see PDP, we must remember saying a political party. The lifespan of a political party, now, from one election to another, anywhere in the world.
True.
For England, if you lose election, the leadership could change. Abi? Look, the thing will happen for Germany. Even when the woman win, but because the margin where she take win now,
there was realignment.
It not to be like the before. Our political stature, they damage small. That is the political round. So people where they PDP, then suppose to they say now 2019. But for most advanced liberal democracies, every big political party, like say APC there now or PDP there now, then go get an ideological picking. In the US, you will remember the Republican Institute. In the UK, there is this
think tank, then they call them think tank. That think tank go be the ideological soul of that party. Make I tell you the truth. Most times, the people will be head, will go permutate the ideological soul of the party. They know they get chance to come to the leadership of the party because they must be frank people. Like people like me now, I no fit get political career. People go tell me, Bola, why you no contest this thing? No serious politician go want talk with me because I go wake up in the morning, work for Buhari. Before noon, I don't abuse Buhari because he no do the thing wey we think say he go do. You know if they talk the truth, make you be a card-carrying member of a political party in Nigeria, even anywhere in the world. And I'm talking as somebody who will say, I'll be a card-carrying member of the Conservative Party for about 4 years in England. I even contest election on the platform of the ruling party in England now. I contest election on their platform for London Borough of Greenwich. So if you're an ideologic, if you're an ideologue, you know, but you know the thing where I for advise PDP do. PDP, particularly on this occasion, because of the damage wey don't happen, wey make majority of Nigerians say, make una go home, make una go repackage. PDP is supposed to try balance politicking. I don't say politicking, no. I say politicking. As we know and they play for our system. Make them balance politicking with whether they go choose, I know say they don't feel choose that kind of person as chairman, but whether they go choose that kind of person as their spokesperson with somebody that will have a consistent way when go they engage the Nigerian public on this policy where government do. If to say now we dey power,
see how we for do.
As a result of the consultation what we don't do amongst our leaders and our opinion holders within the party, this will be our alternative. Until PTP do that one very well. Politicking alone, no feel let them get power for 2019 because you know what? They get one singular disadvantage now. The pause. It is somebody else's hand. And all these $25 billion US unapproved approval. Where would they hear for NNPC? We don't the year too say
it be like say they go somewhere.
Then they save for So it is in given a clear, deep blue alternative where people go know say
levels day, difference day.
See the way this one they do with ball. See how these ones they pass their ball. But they also give out to make we give them opportunity, make them pass on to the person with you. So that was why I say I go balance them. I don't go there too hard on PDP, and yet I go give them advice.
Very true.
But to be honest with you, if PDP want to, like APC do, Nigerians don't wisen up a bit, because in the days of APC, when you and your colleagues them go bring a one like Mohammed here, now just to be throwing stone, Nigerians don't know say
it don't be only to throw stone.
Nigerians don't know say
to throw stone.
It ain't cheap to throw stone. Talk is cheap.
And the people they talk say word is enough for the wise. For our final story on the 5th of October, we know say it don't pass, but we go carry and come back. The whole world celebrates World Teachers Day or Teacher Appreciation Day. And for Nigeria, we hear say this governor give motto. This one do this one do that. He get one even lawmaker when come and talk say teachers even suppose they collect salary before lawmakers. But we won't on relate this one to the old maxim. We know the inside of Nigeria say the reward of teacher they for inside heaven. Some people call us that they tell us say some teachers 4 months they never collect. Some when retire 10 months they see they owe them. I won't ask you. If indeed we talk say education are the bedrock of a nation's existence, teachers them they be destiny. Those of us who go Sunday school, they be destiny builders, they be life molders. What we go they do for our teachers them to use the show say as then they teach when then they sweat, not be sweat then they swear for the children.
It don't tell where I don't start the read.
papers, news, and whatever. And I know, say, they will say the reward of a teacher, the day heaven. It no occurred to me until not too long ago, about 2 years, say, if the reward of your teacher is in heaven, your case go be like the case of Nigeria. You go always be a potentiated entity where you not materialize the potential. Because you know one thing for life, the quality of how you bless the person where it's supposed to edify you go instruct your level of edification. That is why as long as I don't hear say the word of teacher dey heaven, that's why all the time where people want to talk for public, they go say Nigeria is a country with a lot of potentials. Potentials no be fruition, no be reality. Now the quality of those where we allow to teach. In the first place, 90 to 95% of those where they teaching for Nigeria not supposed to be teaching. We don't make teaching a vocation for failures in Nigeria. In most other societies where I know where they prosper, where a friend of mine, after he don't get LLM for UK, at the age of like 56, he tell me saying go do course. He just put up for this, he celebrate. Say, he go do postgraduate diploma to teach. Because teaching is a special service. You must understand the psychology of the people where you teach. You must be prepared to engage with them and be an encourager and not a spirit killer. Look at the people where, this is the only country, until where I find myself abroad. Now here I know say Nigeria is the only country where somebody go enter class, especially at the tertiary level institution. This course, 95% of my class will fail. If you say that one,
you don't already demoralize.
If you say that one for some of the places where I go school,
a prison.
For England, not be prison, you don't lose your job. They are paying you to be a chief encourager before all the thing where you cram, where you come purge.
Not to come and torment.
You know what? In Scandinavia, the best of their graduating class, Norway, Sweden, first class, those who get first class are encouraged through remuneration, through perks, through other privileges society don't organize to be teachers, so that the best of their classes will impact their future. In Nigeria, now people where don't look for job for health industry where no get.
Telecommunications.
Banking.
When people don't even do entrepreneur when the thing no work. Ogagbola just leave am for there. We go just call this particular one. A word is enough for the wise. All these 5 stories will don't relate. And if you sit down, if you can't relate that to your life.
If we don't want to be perpetually pregnant for potential, make we not born the pikin.
Very, very true. Our people when they for us, they talk and say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Do everything when you feel do in the little way to use contribute to nation building and national development. Ogagbola no vex, you go collect handshake. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.